You want to go back over to that log jam now?
Yeah, let's come over here. Let's go see what there is over here. So yeah, it doesn't look like much, just a couple puddles.
Yeah.
But believe you me, there's fish. In fact, let's see if we can cast from this sandy spot over here under the bridge. Let's see how deep it is. Because I know for sure if you stand over there under that butterfly I'm throwing, you'll catch fish. I haven't tried it from over here yet. But I can already tell just by looking at the water right here in front of the concrete that it's deep.
Yeah.
Dark green water, good indication of depth. And there's a lot of dark green water right there in front of us.
Yeah.
I bet if we sneak up to it, you can see the bass that are right there, like sneak into the water. They'll leave trails. Oh yeah, right there in front of us. If we throw right next to the bridge thing, look, there's fish right there. I can see them in the water. Let's go check it out over here and see how deep it is. I know for a fact that there's fish right in front of us.
Guys, that's why I wanted to find night crawlers. I couldn't find them anywhere, but I got some. That's why I'm gonna sell over there. Adrian's got some minnows in that bucket.
That video though, I didn't think there was that much life over there.
Which one?
The drone video, dude. I'm just seeing if I can spot some bass. You can go ahead and start fishing, dude. Yeah, guys, we're at the river. I'm here with Brandon Marshall and we're gonna try catching some fish. I flew my drone earlier. It's actually on my back right now. And we saw a lot of fish. A lot of fish. But they're up that way. Look at these minnows here in front of me. Lots of little baby fish, future fish. I'm probably gonna end up taking off my shoes so I can get across all this. You see that hole right there? There's a good possibility there's a catfish there. Let's go back over here and fish. See what we can catch. Again, I'm out here at the Rio Grande. It's dry right now, but yeah, there's still life. This is the place of many of my videos. Don't ever sleep on places like this. There's plenty of big fish left in the water. Just got to be patient and skillful, and you'll catch what you're after. I'm actually gonna throw a minnow here in front of me. See if I can pull anything out. What, are you getting attacked?
No, it's sunscreen.
Oh. Another form of attack.
Yep.
Alright guys, so I've got my Adrian unknown bucket here and it's full of minnows from the other day, from when I was out at Elephant Butte at Dam Site Marina. This is my setup. It is a Luz light speed ultralight rod, and then I've got a Aberdeen hook and just a small little weight. You can see it's going up and down freely. I've got my minnow here. Hooked the minnow through the back, right above the line right there. That way it still has life, but he's not gonna go anywhere. Okay? The way that I flick these open is I get this finger, hold it up against the rod like that, pop it open, and I just kind of do the pendulum thing. When the fish is at its farthest point, let go with your finger. Boom. Gotta get farther. If there's a walleye, if there's a bass, a catfish, I know they're hungry. And I know there's fish in front of me. We'll go catch them farther up the way in the water. So yeah guys, this is the Rio Grande. It's relatively dry. Still has pockets of water though, like for example here under this bridge. And from previous videos you've seen that there is life. There's plenty of fish left in here. It doesn't look like it immediately, but unless you've got a drone like I do on my back, you can see directly over the pool and into the water. I'll post that video guys later. Hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed making it. That was pretty cool. I didn't think I could see that clearly into the water with the drone. Evidently you can. Alright, I can see my minnow right at the edge of the deep water over there. So if there's a bass, come and get it. Alright, forget this. I'm gonna get to the actual fishing spot because this is farther than I want to be from my fishing spot. He's earned his life. If he survives that jab through the back, he'll make it. All right, let's go to where the fish are. This way, yeah. All right guys, I am wearing shoes and I don't want to get wet, so we're gonna do some hopping and skipping. Somebody's already tried to make these little bridges here for us, and we are going to use them. The first bridge is right here, kinda sorta. All right, so I'm going to put 1 foot here, 1 foot here, and we are across. I want to show you guys something cool here. There are certain spots that have minnows already packed in them. Like for example here. Do you see what I'm seeing? So go to Walmart and buy yourself a bug net, okay? This is for kids. Here I'm using some choice bait. This is hot dog. Fish love hot dogs. Just to show you guys what's in here, I'm gonna throw a little bit into the water and let's just watch the hot dog and what happens to it.